Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel name in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your Slack application or go to Slack website from your browser. Once you have logged into your account, this type of interface will appear in your screen. From the left side of your screen, you can see all your channel list in below the workspace. Choose the channel in which you want to change the name. Then click on the name of the channel from the top message bar. There you can see in channel name section edit button. Click on edit. From there, edit your channel name or change your channel name. Then click to save changes. Then your channel name will be changed. This is how you can change your channel name in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.